SOS, send a friend, help, help. Trying to organize these loose patterns that are laying around. Patterns, 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 patterns. SOS, send help. These have to be organized to go out in the garage in the filing cabinets. And I am already tired.
Hey, thanks for sewing with me today, creating beauty every step of the way. If you smile, learn something new. This little crafty family's because of you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the Face Soul and Peace vibe. Share some love and come back soon. We'll make something beautiful real soon.